What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today is an awesome day because we have some new car parts coming in. That's right. As you can see, there's a giant box on my front porch, but it's a nasty weekend. I think it's like 35 degrees and it's been raining all freaking day. But anyways, what we're about to do is we're gonna get the cube out of the garage. We're gonna bring the FRS in here. This isn't gonna be a full installation video, but it's gonna be just a little bit of a reveal, mock-up, and we're gonna see what we're doing to the car next. But anyway, here is a cold start on a 2011 Nissan Cube. We're gonna jump in here, we're gonna move the cube out of the garage, and we'll get this video started. Oh man, she's looking good. Something's telling me she's about to look better. Sorry to my neighbors, but hey, it's Saturday anyways. Let's go grab this box off the front porch and see what it is. All right, time to open it up. You got this shit knocking on. We are going wide body. This is the, looks like this is a right quarter over fender here. Oh man, we got a whole box full of stuff. Let's see, it's gonna be the other quarter over fender for the driver's side here. And we got the fender. It's gonna be the left fender as well. All these coming individually wrapped and ready to go. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like during the unboxing. That's right, guys. Got the wide body kit in the box here. We'll start laying these out nicely on the floor here. Luckily, they're individually wrapped in this plastic here, so really good packaging. Not bad for an eBay kit. So we got the fender, the rear over fender there. Got some more goodies in here. Got the other over fender for the driver's side right there. This one is the passenger side front fender. Put that right over here next to this one. And of course we got the smaller ones here. Got ones for the front bumper, and then we also have ones for the rear bumper as well that'll attach to these fenders. But anyways, I'm gonna get these unwrapped. We're gonna check it out. I can't believe it. I don't even know what to say right now, but apparently we're going wide body. Not in this video. It's gonna be in another video later down the road, but we're gonna get it all mocked up. We're gonna show you what this kit looks like, and I'll tell you exactly where he got it from. Got the kit all unboxed here. I got it kind of lined up to where the pieces are gonna go on the car. Haven't unwrapped it yet, but just to give you guys an idea of how it comes. We've got an 8-piece wide body kit here. It comes with your 2 front fenders, the 2 rear over fenders as well. Then it comes with the front bumper attachments for the wide body and also the rear ones as well. So essentially the wide body will go over this fender here. Of course, we're gonna have some cutting to do, but we'll get it all into that in a later video, obviously. And then these parts right here will go attach them to the rear bumper here. It'll kind of overlap going into the rear quarter fenders. Same thing with the front there. We got the front bumper extensions as well, which means, I don't know how we're gonna go around it, but I have to do something about my TRD canards. Maybe they can go on top of this here. But if not, these might be up for sale. This is an excellent product. I really, really like these, but if we're going wide body, which that's the plan here, obviously, might have to get rid of those. But anyways, I'm gonna get this car dried off and we're going to mock it up, maybe put some tape on it and see what it looks like on the car. plastic and exactly where they're supposed to go on the car. Front fender extension, rear over fender extension. Same thing on the passenger side of the car as well. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish drying off the car, gonna get some painter's tape and try and mock it up, obviously without cutting it in this video, see what it looks like, and then we're gonna talk about future plans. Well guys, the wide body installation is 100% complete. Look how clean that is. I'm just kidding. I do have it taped up on the car though. Obviously all these fenders and quarter fenders have to be cut for this to fit properly. But anyways, I've kind of got it mocked up a little bit here, other than the front pieces, only because I'm not taking my canards off until I run this kit. And I'm gonna see maybe what it looks like even without that extra little fender piece there. But as you can see, the car is gonna be much, much wider. I haven't measured yet, but I think I've read online it's probably about 45 millimeters wider all around. But it's for being the kit that it is, it's actually finished in a really, really nice plastic. I think this is ABS plastic from what I read. Everything came in really, really nice. There's no scuffs or scratches. Everything's nice and smooth. So when I do paint it, it's gonna be pretty easy to get this prepped up and should be a pretty good kit, but we're gonna do a full installation video series on this, obviously, because we're gonna do it by ourselves. But man, I just can't get over how awesome it looks. Just for reference, this is a eBay wide body kit. I think it's made by Ikon Motorsports is what Kevin said. And you know, I've read good things and bad things online. The real trick is gonna be just doing this right. I know it's a knockoff kit, but this is a budget build. I don't have very expensive parts on this car. Kind of doing it just for you guys and for me as well. So I'm not spending an arm and leg, because I know not everybody has $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 in their budget for a proper wide body kit, but there is a way to do it. Obviously, if something doesn't work out, we're not gonna cut the car. We're gonna measure everything. The real trick with these things is measure twice, measure 3 times, measure 4 times, whatever, however many times it's gonna take, and cut once. Don't just jump into it. We're gonna measure everything out. We're gonna make sure we do this the right way, but oh my gosh, I'm getting really, really pumped about it. Obviously, gonna either need new wheels. That'll come down in the future maybe, but probably just have to get some better spacers for it, some fatter tires. I'm thinking about running 245s on these. These are 17x8 wheels. 245s would look pretty sick all around, especially on the rear, but we're gonna cross that bridge when we come to it. Anyways, let's FaceTime Kevin, the man who is helping me put all this together, and see what he thinks about it. Yo!
What's up?
What's up? I got it fully installed already, dude. Check it out. It looks sick, dude. I didn't know it came with like the blue accents on it.
Nice.
I got you on the GoPro too. So I'm trying to do 2 things at once.
Yeah, that's gonna look good.
It looks awesome, right? So
I mean, there's a couple panel gaps.
oh yeah, that's because there's a few panel gaps. I took a little while longer on this rear one, trying to get that like back bottom piece lined up. But dude, it's actually finished really, really nice. I think it's like an ABS. So it's
yeah, it should be ABS. The only thing I was wondering about is the front canards and
I know.
the turn signals and everything.
Yep. The side markers are gonna have to come off, and the canards too. But I could figure out wheels and tires and all that. But think about, I mean, I need 1 new tire, so might as well get new tires all around.
Shoot, I would like test fit some of my wheels on there, but you're 5 lugs, so.
Yeah, I think these are 5x100 if I'm not mistaken. It's pretty sick, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
I can't wait to install it. We're gonna do it the right way.
Look good when we get it all on.
Heck yeah.
I'm gonna go get a sheet metal cutter,
Oh yeah?
so we can actually trim the inside fender and everything.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at, and making sure we do that the right way so it doesn't like rust or corrode or anything, and
Yeah.
maybe sealing everything off so water doesn't get down in there, and
Yep.
get some
Right.
I want to get some really nice hardware for it too, for the rivets.
Yeah, I need to get some for one of the. You don't have me on GoPro anymore, do you?
Oh, you're on there right now, but I can turn it off. Kevin's got a surprise coming, so we'll say bye to Kevin for now, and I'm gonna keep talking to him, and you guys are gonna see him next weekend with a reveal. Maybe head over to his Instagram, check it out for a sneak peek. But if not, wait until next weekend or the week after, and we'll have a video up on that. Thanks, dude. That was fun talking to Kevin. We love doing these projects together, and like I said right before I clicked off with him, he's got some cool stuff coming, so make sure to head over to his Instagram, or if you want it to be a surprise, just wait until next weekend, next week, the following week after this, we'll have a video on his new project, or one of his new projects, I should say. Anyways, I took the fenders off the car. I was really scared they were gonna fall. Got them back in the box. I gotta wrap those up a little bit nicer. Anyways, we're gonna have a whole new build series coming with this. We're gonna make sure we do this budget wide body kit the right way the first time, and we'll walk you guys through the entire process. Luckily, I'll have his help. I work at a body shop now too, so I'll get some tips and pointers from the technicians there. And of course, most likely I'll be painting the fenders there. It's a couple of concerns I'm going to have going into the project, which of course we'll get into more detail, is one, the overall quality of the kit. I know it's not going to be a perfect fit, so probably going to have some trimming, some cutting to do, shaving, you know, the back ends, just to make sure everything lines up flush. But we're not just going to throw it on the car. We're going to make sure all that gets done. And the other concern is I have Lambo doors. So I'm going to be wide body with Lamborghini doors, which, and it's really going to be freaking awesome in my opinion. That's definitely my kind of style. Not for everybody, but definitely for me. But with that being said, you know, with the doors, you know, the fender's going to pop out a little bit more. So we're definitely going to have to figure out all of that. But again, that's going to be a later video. Anyways, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel if you guys are interested in this and interested in the other projects we have coming. I'm really looking forward to getting all this stuff done to my car. It's been a little while since we've done anything crazy to my car, and I've decided I'm probably going to be the last owner of this. I'm probably never going to get rid of it. We're over 100,000 miles now, so it's full send or go home. That's pretty much what it is right now. But anyways, thanks so much for watching today's video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, go check me out on Instagram, go check Kevin out on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.